Hello family, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how I safely take out my wig without breaking my edges. So if you're looking forward to take out your wig and this video is for you guys, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I've had this wig on my hair for almost 2 weeks and now it's time for me to get it out, guys. So this is the glue that I actually laid down my wig. When I tell you this is the bomb, this is the best glue I've ever used, and I'm using the same Kiss hair glue remover to take out my wig. I usually use the bold hold, but today I'm going to be using the Kiss Almighty hair remover. So what I'm going to do is I did apply it on my hairline where the hair glue is and massage it into my hair. So it says you should let it stay on your hair for 1 to 2 minutes, but actually what I did is apply it on the glue area and just massage it with my hand and rub it and stay there for some time until I can see that my wig is actually getting off, because you don't want to force it to take it out. If you do force it and if it's laying on the front of your hair, especially for us that have the low hairline, sometimes we lay our wigs in front of our hairline. Like me, there are some parts that I usually lay on my hairline because I have a low hairline. I can't really just lay too low on my hair, so like you can see the way I'm pulling it. When I see that it's actually coming off, then I can just keep massaging it with my hand until it's completely out without no force. So I keep rubbing it with my fingers and just pulling it up to see if it's out. Where that is still sticky, I go ahead and add more of the product and just keep massaging it and letting it stay for some minutes. And that's how my wig actually did come out all by itself completely without me losing no one hair on my edges, guys. And that is how I take off my wig safely without losing any hair on my edges, guys. That's what you want to do. Don't force it and it's just gonna come out just like the way my did came out. So now I'm gonna go ahead to show you how I take out the remaining of my stocking cap, and voila. To take out my wig cap, now I'm going to be spraying my water. So I'm using my spray bottle to spray water on my hair, and you really want to spray it wet, guys. Make sure you spray the water on your hair well for it to really wet everywhere that you did spray your spray to lay down your stocking cap. So like the way you can see, I did spray it up to the level that I don't even have the glue, just that everything to come out easily. And after massaging it with my finger, I'm gonna go ahead to add on top of my hair the shampoo. I'm using the Tresemme shampoo, and now I'm going to apply it on my stocking cap and just keep rubbing it with my fingers. And this is how I take out my wigs, my frontals and my wig cap safely without losing the edges of my hair, guys. I do have a fine hairline, so I don't want to lose any hair on my head, guys. So if you do have a hair like me and you want to protect it, make sure you're taking your hair this safe, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out and go take out my cornrows and probably wash my hair very well, guys. If you do like this video, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and family, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.